The only friend I know is this gun I have. Listen to my voice, this is not a threat.
Rum kill me mother, rum kill me father, rum kill me whole family. Hey, me have a man of my friend win. And me I tell you say, me don't know when they gonna drink because I am very much celibate. I am in hibernation. I'm avoiding God's most beautiful creatures, women. Because guess what? The one that will coming out for my life, except my son mother and my daughter mother, and my crosses. Anyways, this video is courtesy of Reggae Dancehall Volt. They're here on YouTube and on TikTok, I believe, but they're surely on Instagram. So go and go give them a follow. And them have some AI videos. Yeah, we're gonna check them out right now.
Just a Coca-Cola bottle shape, I eat around the place. Broke out, gyal, you have the shape. Coca-Cola bottle shape, I eat around the place. Skin out, gyal, you have the shape in the place. Uptown girls have the shape in the place. Downtown girls have the shape in the place. London girls have the shape in the place. New York girls have the shape in the place. Canadian girls have the shape. I them have the shape and I give man headache. I them have the shape make man body shake. I them a fling big stone and bust up man face. I them have the shape cause war in the place. I just the Coca-Cola bottle shape I eat around the place. Broke out, girl, you have the shape. Coca-Cola bottle shape I eat around the place. Skin out, girl, you have the shape when them a walk. It's like an earthquake when them a run. The whole place it a shake. Where them get so much shape from? God he knows. But them look good when them put on them clothes. Man no stop call to them on the road. Cause the girl them have the road code. I just the Coca-Cola bottle shape I eat around the place. Broke out, girl, you have the shape. Coca-Cola bottle shape I eat around the place. Skin out, girl, you have the shape. When you see them I say, you can't underrate. You have to go up to them and congratulate. And them a fling big stone and bust up man face. Jamaican girl, them full up a shape. And when me see them, God knows, me can't wait. Me have to go up to them and congratulate. I does the Coca-Cola bottle shape I eat around the place. Broke out, girl, you have the shape. Coca-Cola bottle shape I eat around the place. Skin out.
Big up yourself, Dancehall Volt rather. Check them out on YouTube here. Check them out on TikTok and on Instagram. Yeah man, they have some of my best old school dancehall videos. Yeah man, go check them out. They sang the but hey, if that song was released in 1950, that's what it would sound like. It sound. You hear every word in the song, the clarity. Yeah, man, Coca-Cola bottle shape. Big up all the Jamaican woman them. Yep. Alright then. So this I wanna know. A bounty killer. Guess the song. Nothing gonna make no guess. You just gonna run it.
Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Can you feel my pain? Am I your enemy? Give us a better way, things are really bad. The only friend I know is this gun I have. Listen to my voice, this is not a threat. Now you see the night, are you worried yet? You've been talking about you on the water seas, but when you show us hope, we will show you peace. Look into my mind, can you see the well? Can you tell that I wanna help myself? But if it happened that I stick you for your mad at me. It's a survival team. Look into my heart, I can feel your fear. Take another look, can you hold my stare? Why are you afraid of my hungry face? Or is it this thing bulging in my waist? Look into my life, can you see my kids? Let me ask you this, do you know what hungry is? Well, in this part of town, survival is my will. For you to stay alive, you gotta rob and kill. Look into my house, would you live in there? Look me in the eyes and tell me that you care. Well, I made up my mind to end up in the mall. Right now I'd rather die, 'cause man, I live like dog. Look down on my shoes, can you see my toes? The struggle that we live, nobody really knows. Stop and ask yourself, would you live like that? And if you had to, then wouldn't you bust gunshot? Look into the schools, tell me how you feel. You want the kids to learn without a proper meal, then what you have in place to keep them out of wrong? If they drop out of school, then I go bust them gone.
Listen to me now. This Bounty Killer song, in my opinion, is definitely a top 5, probably top 3 best dancehall song ever. The message, his delivery, this song is timeless. And then them do the AI thing, the clarity of this video, the clarity of this song. It's like you get the message all over again. It's like you feel one. That when Bounty Killer sing the song, then it's like you feel the pain, even if you're not poor, even if you never struggle. I can't recall being me very fortunate, thanks to my mom, me adopted mom, my grandmom. Is me I said me grow fortunate in my opinion. So, but you can still feel one piece of struggle if it's for somebody. And me not gonna lie, the AI thing, it bad. Bounty, take Bounty and send Bounty in a 1842 Western era. Po! So me pull fast. So me pull fast in real life too. Anyways, we have one more. What is that now? Matie, Penny Irie, how him?
Girl, the hood in your hole, make you want take it out. Make a talk, can't get the body out after it slip out of your hole. Gone in a made mode, make a talk, can't get the body out of me. Say, girl, you know you're better than you make. Girl, you may drop off a shit. Girl, you know you have the good hold. You have the man under control. Girl, you not bleach on your face. Girl, you have the natural beauty. Girl, you no scream, girl, pop. Girl, you no live by night up. I threw the hood in your hole. Your mate want take it out. All what she a do, she can't take the body out. Girl, the hood in your hole. Mate want take it out. May you talk, can't get the body out. After sleep out of your hole. Gone in a made mode. May you talk, can't get the body out. With me say, girl, you know you're better than you mate. Girl, you may drop off a shit. Girl, you know we're friend shoes. Girl, you know we're made it frock. Girl, you know live by night up. Girl, you know scream, girl, part through the hood in your hole. Me the one take it out. All what she a do, she can't take the body out. Girl, the hood in your hole. Me the one take it out. Made that talk, can't get the body out. After it sleep out of your hole. Gone in a made him out.
Matie and a good sitting. When Matie pass, all the clothes them missing. Listen, I went sing me grown and I listen back the song. Me recognize what Beanie Man was saying. Matie, what? Matie take man for nothing. When I was growing up, all the songs them at one point, everybody has sing about Matie. Me did think say Matie I want somebody. I kid you not. But anyways, I made this or this a wife or a wife or this a me. But you, if this a wife no go upon their head top. Yeah man, I'm too look. I'm a girl them this for 2026 man. My wife and my mate. Me no want nothing else. I don't have to spend $1 upon them. Anyways, hope you guys are hope you guys had a good laugh. If you did like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell for me. Please help me grow the channel. For you just stay safe. God bless. Don't be a mate. Be a wife. Mate, mermaid, be a wife.